This is my refrigerator. It's on rollers and a hill, if you can see that. Now, there's a piece of wood under here, and you can see that there are rollers. Maybe you can't, but there are rollers on this goddamn refrigerator that's gonna tip over and kill me. Anyways, so here are the rollers, and I reinforced it so it doesn't roll out or tip over on me, because that's the real deal with this refrigerator. This thing will tip over on you. Yeah, I'll be back. This is a short video. I'm looking for a lawyer so my refrigerator doesn't tip over on me. Yeah, rollers on a tilt. I want to sue my landlord for this somehow. Looking for a lawyer.